All right there, Heidi Ho. This is Michael Wilcock from Locust Hollow Technologies. And I've got a brand new MacBook Air here. It's a rose gold color. It's very exciting. We're gonna do an unboxing. And you can see the USB-C Thunderbolt 3 power cable is just very neatly coiled inside this reservoir. You get a little bit of printed matter right here, underneath of which you get the brick, the power adapter brick. I'm very proud of Apple. This is a you know, I'm getting older. I can't really see much anymore. Let's tell you how many watts. You know, you need to know the wattage on this. That's a 30 watt USB-C power adapter. It's just nestled so gently right into that little spot underneath the paperwork. I mean, this is a picture of elegance, people. This is what you pay the big bucks for. It's got the M1 Apple silicon inside of it. What a joy. Now look at this. There's this beautiful frosted plastic coating. I mean, what are you going to do with that? You're going to treasure it, is what you're going to do. You're going to treasure it. And when you open this bad boy up, or bad person, or bad child, oh, did you hear that? That's a post chime. And look at this elegant piece of paper that they just so carefully placed in there. I mean, that's what you're paying for, people. Elegance. That fits right in there. You get Big Sur. This is Mac OS 11. This is what you're getting.
To use English as the main language,
it talks.
Press the return key.
Hello. It talks. Yeah, I do want English. Thank you. Thank you. And, you know, I get to choose my country. United States pops right up at the top. That's supremacy. And you continue on. Accessibility? Not now. No, not now. Wi-Fi? Yes, please. Password? I can do that. I can do that. And boom. I mean, this is it, people. This is the 13-inch MacBook Air. It's got the 256 gig solid state. Whoa, excuse me. Yeah, it's got everything that you need. It's got 8 gigs of unified memory. It's got the 256 gig SSD, and it's got the Apple M1 chip. Michael Wilcock, Locust Hollow, unboxing. Thank you, technology.